Hello everyone, I'm Hania and welcome to this coding course. This course is for intermediate level architectural students who are not yet Grasshopper gurus, yet are familiar with Grasshopper. And if you're not familiar with Grasshopper, you can catch up by following Jose Sanchez tutorials, which you will find the link to his Plethora project below. I personally found his tutorial very instructive. This course is about parametrical geometrical transformation using Grasshopper coding. I will take you now quickly through the course outline. We have Section 2, Random Transformation of Units. Section 3, Units Transformation according to a single point attractor. Section 4, Units Transformation according to multiple attractors, and Section 5, Units Transformation once according to a box and another according to a line. We first take a unit object and copy it along a grid, and then apply the following transformations: movement, scaling, rotation, and subtraction. As I said before, this course is part of a series of courses, yet can act as a standalone for those of you only interested in the Grasshopper code. Codes will be explained, you will have your own copy by following the tutorial, and complete fun to experiment with its parameters. The upcoming series of courses are about narrative and design and are geared towards those of you who are interested to venture more into experimentation. We have basics of architecture design and will need to go through this course first. I know learning could be tiring if it is long and boring, so I did my best to make this short and informative. I hope to receive your constructive feedback to develop my upcoming courses accordingly. Hope you enjoy it.